AttributeError, datetime module has no attribute strptime. Here is my transaction class. And when I'm trying to run the date function, I'm getting the following error. How can I fix that?
If I had to guess, you did this at the top of your code. This means that you have to do this to access the strptime method. Or, you could change the import statement to this and access it as you are. The people who made the datetime module also named their class datetime. Use the correct call. Strptime is a class method of the datetime.datetime class. It's not a function in the datetime module. As mentioned by John Clements in the comments, some people do from datetime import datetime, which would bind the datetime name to the datetime class, and make your initial code work. To identify which case you're facing, in the future, look at your import statements. Import datetime, that's the module, that's what you have right now. From datetime import datetime, that's the class.
I got the same problem and it is not the solution that you told. So I changed the from datetime import datetime to import datetime. After that, with the help of datetime.datetime, I can get the whole modules correctly. I guess this is the correct answer to that question.
Values may differ depending on usage. The value of the date variable must be a string.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.